Okay, this is for the discussion post, the screencast. It's what is SQL and what it is used for. SQL stands for the structured query language, and then SQL commands allow you to create a host of components, for example, like tables, stored procedures, indexes, domains, character sets, or new databases. And with SQL, there's this thing you can use is called CRUD, and it's for create, update, and delete. And those are just the different commands that you can use. And then what SQL is used for, it's pretty much used to retrieve data. And then SQL is used in different businesses and other types of databases administration. And one thing I found very interesting is that before there was SQL, databases had tight navigational program interfaces, and it typically were designed around the network called the codicil, which is a data model. And this was responsible for the COBOL programming language, which started back in 1959, and then the database language extensions, which started 10 years later, so in 1969. I thought that was really interesting that there was something that people used before even SQL came about. But with SQL, nowadays, it's a lot easier for everyone to create databases, and it's very user-friendly. And then here is my references.